All right, these are the wireless LED motion sensor under cabinet lights 3-pack. You get 3 of them. The company sent me this product to check out and make a video for it, so let's do it. I'll show you how to set these up. It came packaged great, styrofoam, nice looking package. Inside the package, you're going to get the 3 lights themselves, the easy to read instructions, 3-page, and you get a typical Type-C charging cable because these are rechargeable lights. Size-wise, they're about 10 inches by 1.5 inches by 3/4 inches. You also get 6 metal plates with adhesive on one side for mounting them if you aren't already attaching it to something metal. These little metal plates have like a blue side here. You're gonna peel that off, stick it onto the metal piece on the light. Once you do that, you just peel the adhesive off of here. You find the place that you want to attach it at, which I want to attach it right here, and you just press it into place. And once that's done, your light's set into place. So you can take it off and set it the way you want to, which I'll show you. After you fully charge the lights, you get up to 7 hours of continuous use. They say that in motion sensor mode, you can get up to 2 months on one charge. So you've got an on and an auto right here. So you can use them as constant lights by putting them into the on mode, the on position, or you can put it into auto mode where they will be turned on by motion using this motion sensor here. There are 4 different brightness levels on here. 25%, which they're set on right now. You press this button right here. 50%, 75%, and 100%. You can see the lights messing with my camera. So right now I've got it in auto mode. I just set it into place and it's ready to go. The motion sensor automatically activates the light when motion is detected within 10 feet and 120 degrees. The light shuts off automatically after 20 seconds of inactivity. You know, it's perfect for saving battery power. So there you go, 3 rechargeable under cabinet, actually anywhere lights. These would be great for the kitchen, the office, in a bookshelf, a closet, an attic. The bathroom is a night light. You could set this on 25%, it'd be perfect for that. These would be great on storage shelves, great for camping in a tent. These would be great in an RV. I can think of all kinds of uses for these. Very nice, I like them.